Pop. What is it? It's not a musical style. It's the combined opinions of a culture at any point in time. In 1890, a young pianist in New Orleans by the name of Scott Joplin created a popular musical style called ragtime. His unique approach gave way to Louis Armstrong, Dixieland, and the blues. It was rags to riffs. The 1930s and 40s brought us the sounds of the big band. America was jumping and jiving. The 1950s brought a new form of pop with roots not only in jazz, but gospel. In Cleveland, a DJ called it rock and roll. The sound influenced an entire generation. The result was a new age, the age of Aquarius. 1950s, 60s, and 70s were marked not only with pop music, but with pop art. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The 1980s and 90s brought a resurgence of American pop music, with artists from the king of pop to new vocal groups that moved in ways we couldn't imagine. And once again, we were rocking in the USA. Throughout the modern pop era, icons have used music and dance to create unique artistic statements in all forms of media. Like Elvis and the Beatles before them, their distinctive styles and originality made them breakout artists who moved not only music, but dance in a new direction. Music and dance were